Hello, this morning I have to place an extra fundament with a lot of iron in the wall and the fundament, so that the walls are not going outside and the roof will collapse. So I want to show you. Here will be all beton. I will order it tomorrow. And then I have to bring it upstairs. I cut a hole in the floor. I will put the wagon outside the trailer. Then with a wheelbarrow I will drive into here, and with an electric winch I will put it up and place it in the fundament. And when that's done and dry, I will make a wall. Maybe you can see. No, I have to show you on the other side, because the wall is connected to this wall and will be till here, and the same on the other side, connected to this wall until here. So the opening between the two walls will be 2 meters, so that this beam can be gone, because in the future here will be a staircase up, but that will be in the future. And when you are cleaning the attic, you find nice windows and some pottery. I don't know how old it is, but it's looking nice. And the roofman will come, and I think they will start with the foley and maybe some roof battens, but we will see. So first I will install the electric winch, and then I can order beton. And not order, I can collect beton. Will be a heavy day today. So let's continue. I put some iron in the extra foundation. I think it is foundation, but I'm not sure if that's the correct name. And the professional builders are making some extra wood. So first they put one, and now they are putting the second one next to it, and later there will be an extra wooden beam up till here, so, and it's coming between these two beams, so it will be extra strong. So, and I'm going now for the beton company, buy some beton and then bring it to here, and it will be a lot of work because I have to bring it up. I totally forgot to film the end of this movie. First I will let you see in 1 minute how they were placing the roof foley and the roof battens on the roof. Just in 1 minute. In real time it took two and a half days, I think. It was 2.5 days. So till here this video. I hope you liked the videos. Please put a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, please write a comment. And yeah, I hope to see you next video. Have a nice day, evening. Bye bye.